हाय, डू यू गो टू एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स? कभी-कभी ऐसा भी होता होगा कि एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स लुक एट योर जन्म कुंडली, दे लुक एट योर हॉरोस्कोप एंड दे टेल you that it's really not a big deal. Yeah, you get a very cold response that this person is really not very huge or very big. Normal कुंडली है और कुछ नहीं होने वाला लाइफ में. Then yes, I'm one such person. So if you are going through the same things by your astrologer, then I'm making this video for you because I have changed my astrology predictions using manifestations. And it's been 10 years. I haven't looked at my kundli because it doesn't match with me anymore. And if you are someone जिसके ऐसे बहुत सारे friends हैं, then please share this video with them because they should know that they can change their astrology predictions just by using manifestations. और ये नॉलेज आई कहाँ से मेरे पास वो भी मैं बताऊंगी अभी थोड़ी देर में और उसका लॉजिक क्या है और मैनिफेस्टेशन कैसे चेंज कर सकती है सब कुछ. व्हाट इज द लॉजिक बिहाइंड changing your destiny and how manifestations can help. I'm just going to tell you in a while. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you regularly get updates on the videos that I make, which are very, very practical. And people manifest with main businesses, new role in the workplace, promotions, relationships, and whatnot. So please take benefit of that. All right, let's begin how I changed my astrology prediction. So astrology है क्या? You know, it is your destiny which you're born with. So my favorite book, Guru Vashisht ki Yog Vashisht, it just clearly defines you. If you don't know, Guru Vashisht was the guru of Bhagwan Ram in his court, and he's clearly mentioned that your destiny is the sum of your karmas. So the plus minus. I did some good karmas, I did some bad karmas, and together they form my destiny. All right. So the logic is that if you can change your karmas, your destiny will be changed. So no matter what you're born with, you can change it with this logic. Now, when I was going through a lot of scriptures, a lot of books, I discussed once with someone that, this is there, and this kind of manifestation can be done. That person told me, you have this dangerous knowledge, like looks like anything can be achieved out of that. And that time I really didn't understand the compliment. But today I do, because when I see that my students are manifesting crores of rupees, they're clearing their debts, they're manifesting partners, life partners, and they are manifesting promotions and respect and whatnot, then and health, of course. Then I see the benefit of that knowledge, and then I am a manifestation coach. No matter what my horoscope says, and I could do it. So you could do it too. Or 3 steps बता रही हूँ. I'm giving you 3 steps which you can use and change your destiny. All right. Step number 1 is define your self-concept with clarity. Like I decided that I'm going to be that someone whose knowledge can be used by others. And then eventually I decided on this title of manifestation coach, and my knowledge literally helping people change their lives, like total transformation. So first thing is that no matter what your horoscope says or where you are born and what you know, decide who you want to be. And it should resonate from deep within. It should resonate from your being. I am not deciding to be Kalpana Chawla who went to the space, or I'm not deciding to be some actress. I'm deciding what resonates with my core. And that is like my knowledge, because I'm very passionate about it. So we should decide as per our passion that who we want to be. So that is the first step you should do, irrespective of आपको किसी ने कुछ भी बोला है कि आपके स्टार्स छोटे हैं, उनके वो अंश कम है, and आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. किसी ने मेरे हस्बैंड को बोला था कि his life is very short and all that. Like, as astrologers, and it's not that कि एक ने बोल दिया. कई सारे astrologers देखते हैं जब आपकी कुंडली and they're telling the same thing, then you feel that, यही लिखा होगा. But let me tell you, कुछ सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just define very clearly who you want to be. That is the first step. Second is focus on your energy. Now, manifestation is all energy game. Your energy should clearly go towards who you want to be and never towards who you don't want to be. तो इस चीज का ध्यान रखना है, बड़ा मुश्किल काम है बिकॉज अभी मैंने मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक करी और फिर कोई आ गया और किसी ने मेरे से झगड़ा कर लिया, somebody came and they fought with me and then I'm agitated, I'm reacting and my whole system is upside down and I'm went in the survival mode. Then I wasted my next 3-4 days. Hello, what are you doing? You are just diverting your energy. Or let's say your environment is clean, but then something of the past came, or you're not really focused. You're diverted. You have not, because you did not do the first step of defining with clarity what you want to do. You're doing 10 things and you're not able to succeed anywhere. So that's not done. You have to really, really focus on your energy and regulate your emotions. Just be mindful of that. Like, this is the first thing I do with my students, that I work on the mindfulness and emotional regulation. Because if you want to manifest, you must know how to regulate your feelings and emotions. You must know what you're feeling is good for you. You decide to go there or not. Release anything that's not serving you. And then focus on what's serving, what you want to manifest. So this is very important step. And this is what in one-to-one, I do it in 4 to 5 sessions max. Like, emotional regulation done. Then the third step is most important step. उसके ऊपर मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं अगर इतनी मैनिफेस्टेशन चलती है तो क्या मैं अंबानी बन जाऊंगा, तो मैंने बनाया था हाँ जी बन जाओगे. Yes, you can definitely become Ambani, rich like Ambani, if you manifest like this, which means if you are disciplined and consistent. So being disciplined and consistent is the key, which is a very, very important key if you really want to change your destiny. Every day, do your manifestation techniques, take aligned action, and be consistent. And look at me, I do it. I do it every single day. I'm taking action every single day towards who I am becoming. So this is step number 3. And when you do this, you definitely change your destiny. And there is one more aspect. Now, if you have watched my video till the end, then let me give you a golden nugget here. All right, because you should get some incentive that you watched my video till the end. In fact, I should do this more often. कि वीडियो के आखिर में मैं गोल्डन नगेट वही रखूंगी. Okay, so the golden nugget is that you can manifest only if you have it in your karma. Let's say I want to be a queen, and in the past lives, in some lives, I did some karma which entitles me to become a queen. So when I do my manifestation technique of becoming a queen, I'll become a queen. Or let's say there was no karma at all. Now, what Guru Vashisht says in such situations, you create that karma now. You do that karmic farming now. And I know pretty much all kind of karmic farmings. Karmic farming starts from as simple as, if you're not having the emotional, security, then you give that emotional security to someone. From here, if you want to manifest a house, you can give that shelter to a puppy in the neighborhood or someone who can't afford their own house. And you do this much karmic farming, and in returns, it manifests a lot for you. So this was the golden nugget, which was there in the end. And of course, when I'm in the session, I read you and I give that specific karmic farming for you so that your manifestations come fast. And with this knowledge, just like me, if you have applied all this, you're doing manifestation techniques, you will never see your horoscope again. And never listen to those pundits who told you that you're never going to be anything. Don't listen to them. Watch my video. All right, stay tuned. Bye-bye.